Ka Congress ha Meghalaya ka kintui ki paidbah bniah Mynta ha jingè ki paidbah ha spotering unailar persha ek jingthmu banpin kalai ke FCRA u secretary ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ba Manuel batwar uloong babun ki jakapuli ha Jylla kilamat jingè bat ki donkam ya ke jingkershan Jong ki paidbah ula kintu ya baro ki bala puli na kini ki jakapuli bakinwan ha kate ki jingè ki ubatwar ulaban jurru bakani kamde ke jingele san perthei henre ke jingada ke hok pat ke sinshar paidbah ula kinno ru ba ke NPP kamshim lala ban granting e persha ya ke BJP halor kani ke Mynta bat ong ba ke sorkar Jylla kala pulom banyadai ke Jylla ulo ong ru ba ke jingpin kala ke FCRA kala ban minjur da ke simple majority ha parliament kumta ke jinge ki paidbah kalong ke badan kam ban pinpaw ke sur jong ki paidbah.
Yes, we definitely feel that the NPP has failed. Such draconian laws should not even be placed on the table of the House. There should have been more discussions, and the NPP as such, being in power and being good friends with the BJP, should have voiced out their opinions much stronger than they have. We firmly believe that they're not on the steering wheel, which shows that behind the scene, I think the entire governance is being steered by the BJP themselves. The NPP is only wanting financial benefits, while we always believe and we fully agree that economic benefits is also very important, that being a state which depends largely on grants and so on and so forth, we should get. But remember that these things are our rights. So the NPP being so soft and being handicapped in its approach, I think is detrimental to the angst, I would say, to the expectations of the public at large. And I think the public should look at it from that perspective. I'm not saying that we should reject them, I'm not saying anything like that, but approach sensibly with a mind. Understand that the NPP has, if you ask me, has totally failed in this. Yeah.
Okay, and
It's a very good point. Whether the state assembly should pass a resolution on this, that all depends on how strong the government of the land is. Whether they are really willing to go heads on with the BJP or not. Given the fact that they have been very hunky-dory and the relationship has been very cordial within the two, I doubt it if they have the guts to even do it. Yeah.
Kanong ba bernihan kadon ha uput usam ha pedeng ka Assam bat Meghalaya ka we ka them artli ki Jylla ha ka Mynta jong ka Assam dan kumba ar phaudli ki karkhana red category bat ka Central Pollution Control Board kalapin bniah ka te ka than kum ka jaka ka belong critically pollutant hangta ka don ka air quality monitor ka balapin pau ka Khubor bala pau perthei ha ka Mynta jong ka Meghalaya pan dan tang santali ki karkhana red category ka jo ka leer ka baya bentalang hinre ka jingmi cha bo ka ya pher de na kata ka daw kini artli ki Jylla Mynta kis dang pen khre banthau ya ka joint action plan